Alright, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the Roomba 104 combination robot that has the vacuum with the auto empty dock. Alright, so let's get this open. Here's some, it's like pre-instructions. Take this out of the sides. You need to remove that. That's from the sensor. You can see these right here is also a place to go if you have more information. Here are the instructions. We'll get into that in just a minute. This is for going around edges, picking up hopefully all of the cat fur that we have and anything stray. It's laying around. That's the emptying dock. Let's see what we got back here first. That's the accessories. That's the mopping pad. It's a nice size. Anything down in here? Nope. Alright. Let me slide this over here. And then the robot itself. Let me turn this off and move to the table now. Alright, so I have it on the table. It'll be easier to review it. Okay. Per the instructions, remove these from the side. Let's do that. And it said to take this off the front. See, it's a sensor. Alright, did I miss anything else? Let's see here. Okay, that's that, that's that. So something on the bottom. Of course, that comes off. Alright, this is where this goes. That on there. So we've done that, and this shows you where it's supposed to go to charge. Alright, so I think got everything in place. If you want to clean the wheel, you take that off and clean it. Oh, it feels good. Soft. Let's get that back in there. This right here you can also pop out with a knife. I've noticed on my other unit I do have to clean this frequently because hairs and dust and all sorts of stuff gets caught up in here and it doesn't roll good, so that definitely needs to be cleaned. Alright, let's move on to the bin. See what we have here. I'm going to have to cut this off. Whoops. Let's try this one off. I'm going to raise this up just a hair. Alright. That's nice. It's a little bag. This comes out and you can throw it away and put another one in here. So that's what that is. Vacuum cleaner bag. Oh goodness, that's starting to get apart. There's the power cord. Okay. Alright, I'm going to move this out of the way. Let's open up the instructions. When I went online to this address, there was no manual at all for the 104, so I ended up giving them a call. They said that the Roomba 105 was the same as the 104, and just to download that, and I would have all my information. So I now have a printed owner's guide. Alright, so the next step here, see if I can get this in focus. See that? Place your robot in front of the dock, then slide it toward the dock, lining up the metal charging contacts. After a few minutes, a sound will let you know it's awake. So what I've done is I've made sure they are touching, and so far it's just sound asleep. So we'll come back in a few minutes. Alright, a lady's voice just said powering on and charging. So yay. I think maybe it sat touching metal to metal for about, it was under 5 minutes. 3 minutes maybe, but it was definitely under 5 minutes. Oh, there we go. Did you see that little light?
Powering on. Charging.
Yes. Alright, so it is 9:30 and this thing is still charging. I started charging it at 20 minutes after 4 and it's still not completely charged. I think I'm going to go ahead and let it run just to see what it does, but it does take a good while to charge. Alright, so something really weird about this chain thing charged almost 5 hours, and I set it free. It vacuumed for maybe 5 minutes and said it had a low battery and it was taking itself home. So I'm not sure what's up with that.
Charging.
Yep, I don't understand this. Charge for over 5 hours. It's weird. Well, I'm going to let it sit overnight. We'll try again tomorrow. Alright, it's almost 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. And I've just turned it on. Let's see if it runs longer than 5 minutes. Okay, so I don't know what's going on. It just decided to quit for no reason. Let me try this.
Returning home to charge.
Okay, so it's out of juice again. It's charged for 12, like probably 20 hours now, and it's just not charging. I don't know what's wrong. This is the third time I've tried to run this after it's charged, and it runs about 4 minutes and 32 seconds, and it just flashes red, and when you hit the go button,
Cleaning is starting now.
it starts back up again, but in a couple minutes it's just going to shut back down again. Well, it just did it again, about 4 minutes and 32 seconds. I don't know what's going on.
Cleaning is starting now.
It keeps stopping every 4 minutes and 32 seconds. It's so weird. After a quick call to customer service and a reboot of the unit, it is performing flawlessly. I think it just got jostled during shipping. It's working good now.
It's not even stuck. It's just spinning, doing nothing.